Hi, I'm Daz Greenwood of the MIT Media Lab, and this is a quick how-to video for teams that are participating in the Open Media Music Hackathon Distributed Event Series. And this tool is by OpenLaw, Spoke of Consensus, and Michael Chan, legal engineer from that team, has kindly joined us to walk us through their open source tool set and give you a sense of how it works and how you can use it and where you can get more information. So thanks very much for taking some time to walk us through that, Michael, and take it away.
Hi, Daz. Thank you. Here at OpenLaw, we can put all the agreements that you need onto the Ethereum blockchain. So just as a quick example, what I'm running through here is I've uploaded essentially uploaded this file to IPFS, this Shiba here, and it's as a non-fungible token. And what you can do, I've already gone ahead and gone through and listed these for sale. But so basically what happens here, as you can see, you can see that here, and you can see that we've listed, this is just a quick interface to do this, and we've gone ahead and listed, there's 215 sub-license, well, these actually sub-tokens are actually licenses for sale, and it costs 100 Wei, and this is the address, my MetaMask address. And what you would do is, for example, you would come over here and you would purchase this license, fill in my name, and email, token ID, which is actually the license ID. I actually prefer the term licensing over sub-token, but and we'll just say I'm going to purchase 10 of those, and we'll use my, let's see here. Oops. We'll put the seller's Ethereum address. We'll put a buyer. We'll add a buyer to this. Once you go done. And the nice thing about OpenLaw is that the markup is really great. And then we go ahead and we sign. And so now we can purchase. And what it should do is send it to Rinkeby. Here we go, send it to Rinkeby Network. I'm going to choose to sign with OpenLaw today. And you can sign with your MetaMask account too. And here we go. And it'll send these parameters to the dApp that I had built earlier. As you can see, let's see here. The signature is waiting on Rinkeby here. And so we should wait for that. And then the OpenLaw contract should clear in just a moment. Let's see here. Still pending. Okay. While we wait for that, we'll go down here. And we will put my buyer address in here, the license ID that I wanted. And let's just see if that's cleared yet. Let's see if that's gone through. Looks like it has. So we should be all clear to go ahead. Oops. Not sure what happened there. That's recorded. That's recorded. Sorry here. Sorry, technical difficulty here. Let's see. Check if that was for sale. I got that right. Okay, that's correct. Maybe, oh, you know what, maybe I did. Let's see. Oh, did I do it on here? Sorry, Daza here. Don't mean to keep you holding.
Not at all. So this is, I'd say, a good example of innovation in action. Literally, this is quite a new tool, and the scope of what OpenLaw is trying to do as a consensus spoke is definitely ambitious. And so that this is working, I think, is a triumph. And hopefully, teams that want to hack along with you with this tool can you know, maybe even make some enhancements and make some pull requests that'll, you know, help raise everybody's boat.
Yeah, sorry, the problem is more with probably my application than it was working earlier. So I just I'm not sure what happened here. I'll give it one more shot, and then I don't want to keep you waiting, but then I also have a video of this recorded earlier, but let's see here. All right, last shot. I don't want to keep you waiting too long, but
well, let's give it a try.
Yeah. Let's see. Well, let's see. Well, the OpenLaw portion is working. And let's see here. Okay. Let's go back and try this. You know what? Okay. Let's see. But essentially what you can do, none of my calls are working. Well, essentially what you can do is Daz, I'll call it right. I'll probably call it right here. I can send you maybe an updated version of this a little bit later today if you'd like.
Okay. So and if you kind of click the little green square on the left of the Hangout, we can get. Oh, there we go. Back to your feed. Very good. So if people wanted to, you know, give this tool a try themselves and configure it around a use case for this hackathon series, where could they find the code? It looked like it was in GitHub somewhere, but can you maybe talk people through where they would get the tools and where they could find a little documentation?
Oh, okay, sure. Let me sign you up for. It would be. Do you want me to just show or tell? I can show you.
Well, why not both?
Yeah. I think the best way to do it might be to. Here, I'll go back to screen share here.
Great.
Yeah, sorry. I'll walk you through his.
Thanks.
Let's see. All right, so here we are. If you go to OpenLaw.io here.
Okay.
The best way to do it would probably be just to click sign up, and I would say you get just signed up and you get started right away. The best thing about it is actually that they have sort of a pre-populated number of agreements, and you can just go.
I know one question that we'll probably be getting is, how do I find the you know, the license template?
Oh, okay. All right. So you go to all temp. Oh, you can just go here, and you get a copyright license or license agreement.
Okay.
And let's see here.
Oh, here we go.
There we go. And you can just see it's rendered here. You can cut and paste any license agreement, and it's really easy to go at. What's my screen sharing here?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep, I can see it.
Yeah, I forgot. And then if you want to go ahead and just edit the source, you can go in here and you can edit the document right here. We have an extensive markup language, and the docs for that are going to be. And if you go to learn, right? So if you go to learn, there's OpenLaw, and then you can go from there to the maybe the docs, and I would say go to the here. This is probably the best way to edit your smart contracts up here, or your legal agreements, is just to get familiar with the markup language. And for smart contracts in particular, I would say the sticking point here is just to you have to smart contracts. There you go. You're going to have to cut and paste your ABI in from, where is it here? So you'll see something like this. Under interface right here, this is sort of the key to making the contracts work. Is you have the contract address that you want to interact with, and then instead of ABI, it'll say interface, and then you just cut and paste your ABI from your smart contract in there, and it'll make a call, and that'll make a call to your smart contract, which is what it is doing here. But which is what it did on mine, but for some reason I'm not rendering in my own application there. But setting that aside, that's probably what you want to pay attention to.
Great. So docs.openlaw.io/markup-language, and looks like you've got some good documentation on the, here we have it right here on the left menu bar, variables, the format, the various parameters and configurations. So
yes,
it's too easy.
And
of course, one of your claims to fame is that you, with Aaron and the rest of the team, and you with your legal backgrounds, have really focused on making the legal contract front and center and integrated hand in glove with the computable terms of the smart contract operating on in this case, the Ethereum blockchain, right?
Yes. And I would say also, for the most part, we are working on other test nets, but you can also but I would stick to the RINC-B test net for now. And but we have all sorts of license agreements in here, and so you can do an NDA, and there, a non-disclosure agreement, and essentially sorry, the final point is that what happens is when you sign the contract, you'll receive an email confirmation as well. And so, and this is nice, you'll get you can download the PDF of the agreement. So you'll have the PDF, and you'll have the smart contract. Sorry here. So what you'll get here.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah, so you'll get this, and you'll get an email. You can confirm the transaction on RINC-B. They'll send you there. But you can view the agreement anyways.
And it looks like it has the address, so you could find it with an Explorer.
Yeah.
Not operating right this second.
Yeah, I think all my internet is going bad here, but you can actually, what you can do. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, and if you get this page, something went wrong. So we are having a little bit of Okay, well, let's see if we get, no, all right. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay, let me see if I can get you back to the, oh, so when you, anyways, so after you send the first contract, you'll have the agreement here, and you'll see, and as you can see, the printed out version is right here. And then the other thing to look at, I would say, is so you can go to contract management, and you can see all the contracts you were working on. In theory, okay. Well, sorry, this is my local instance here, but you can see all the contracts you're working on, and you should be able, and then you can be able to go download them as PDFs or Word docs or maybe text files as well.
Dynamite.
Yes. So.
Okay. Well, good stuff. I know a lot of you are here in New York City, where I am today, and just want to make sure that you're aware that right around the corner from Consensus at the Bushwick generator, we'll be hosting the New York City node of this distributed legal hackathon this Saturday, October 20th. And for those of you that are watching this or involved or interested in open law and want to try this tool, if you're around MIT, we're having a big event on Sunday, October 28th. There's big events happening in Brazil and Kansas City. We did San Francisco last week as part of San Francisco Blockchain Week, and you can see all of the other venues at legalhackathon.org. And I encourage everybody to sign up and give OpenLaw a try. It's got so much promise, and it hits so many of the points that many of us yearn for, who are seeking to integrate business law and technology. It looks like it's very much worth hacking along with the OpenLaw team and seeing if we can apply it to some legal use cases in the music and media context. So I just want to thank you, Michael, for hacking along with us and for giving us a demo and telling everybody where they can learn more and try to use your tools. It's much appreciated.
Thank you, Daza.
Okay.